Is combining crypto a good idea? Think about whether comp will recover from its losses, or is compound crypto dead? How about we figure out the answers to all of these questions and a lot more in our compound cost forecast? According to our compound cost expectation for 2023, the token's highest cost should be 78.78, with a base cost of 32.43. The highest value of comp cryptographic money should reach 117.87, according to our compound coin cost forecast for 2025. Based on our prediction of the average cost of living in 2030, the average price of a token may be around $300.70 by the end of that year. What is complex cryptography? Blockchains were made using a formula that was always keeping an eye out for a standard that could handle the rules and the borrowing and lending of government-issued money. However, there are still a lot of questions about borrowing and lending. Large exchange fees, a lack of transparency, and limited liquidity are all big problems in the field of created stages. Bitcoin and the Ethereum organization didn't fix these problems either. The build is an algorithmic independent loan cost convention that allows engineers to create a wide range of open financial applications. Digital forms of money-like mixtures have slowly become more popular and are moving forward. Compound Comp is an IRC-20 resource that lets the compound standard be run on a local level. The whole system of the compound is based on zero revelation proof, which means that the whole exchange process can be checked for numerical consistency without revealing any information or message about the other party involved in the exchange. This puts the power in the hands of the client. The compound has regular redesign plans, which means that this convention is flexible enough to meet the changing needs of today as well as those of the future. What's new about Compound? How is combination different from its unlike Bitcoin and other competitors? Navigation here is built into the blockchain itself. Its open lending platform lets them get interest on their balance of owned Ethereum tokens or get a loan. The Compound's People Group administration sets it apart from other gatherings. The Compound is also doing a good job of changing laws and making sure they are in line with creative business rules. Testing the current environment, the group complex knows that blockchain's full potential can only be tamed when the main structure is in place, which will make this progressive innovation a gift from heaven. Compound connectivity keeps companies' blockchains up to date, and it gives them access to a worldwide network of clients and apps. Decentralized applications and constant changes and updates based on the coin value expectation and technical value analysis of the whole crypto area and reverse rates have shown that they have a lot of promise to work reliably and get back the lost value. The current situation shows that there isn't much that can be done. This is a little bit of a bad model in the unfriendly market and financial situation. Partners like Heavenly and Ethereum Compound have a position of 113, but the comp price is expected to do well in the next couple of years. In April 2022, the comp price traded around the 171 mark, but the token faced a lot of resistance from that point on and kept trading down. It went as low as 28 in June, but has since recovered a little and is now trading around 36. Starting around 2023, the price first went up and then down, and it's now going up in a thin reach. Based on our comparisons, a slow rise isn't normal. The cost estimate for the long run is 6.569. The current price of a compound pound is around 36.41. Based on our compound number, the price at the end of 2023 could be around 43.72 cents. And the year-to-year change, plus 19 compound value expectation 2023, based on past prices, and a prediction of how much comp coins will cost. Value of the crypto in 2023, the highest price will be 78.78, and the lowest price may be 32.43. The average price is supposed to be around $55.60. If you put money into the compound token at just the right time, you might get fair benefits, since crypto's value is only expected to grow. Compound Crypto Value Prediction 2024. According to the compound expectations, the coin could trade between 66.64 cents and 95.93 cents. Where 66.64 cents is the lowest price and 95.93 cents is the highest price. At the same time, it is thought that the coin could have an average price of 81.29 compound coin value estimate 2025 according to our comp crypto cost expectation. The coin will go up by about 50% over the course of the year. It will trade from an expected low of 81.88 to an expected high of 117.87. The average price of the coin will be 99.88. Based on our compound estimate, we think the coin will have gone up by more than 70% by 2026. The lowest and highest prices are expected to be 101.69 and 146.39, respectively. The average price of the coin could be around 12. The price at the end of the year could be close to 145, which would be a good investment. Based on our expectations for the compound coin price, the Symbolic's future looks bright. The price is expected to be between 128.41 and 184.85, where the first number is a possible low and the second is a possible high. In comparison, the average price could be 156.63 with a bigger market cap. Compound expectation 2028, based on our compound estimate, the coin could reach 235 before the end of this year, which would be a 545% increase from its current price. At the same time, the base price and the average price are each estimated to be around 163.36 and 199.27. Expected value of Concacoin in 2029. Based on our compound cost expectation, our forecasts show that the price of resources will go up, then go back down and reach near its F. According to our Conc cost model, the highest cost of pay is expected to be around $275.34, while the lowest and average costs could be around 191.26 and 233.30. Conjecture, compound value prediction for 2030, people will keep trading comps, and with all the back and forth, most people would agree that money could reach $354.88 before this decade is over in 2030. Based on what we know now, the average price might be $246.52 in 2030. How much will crypto cost in 2030? Is compounding a good way to guess? Yes, compounding is a good way to guess and see what we can expect. The compound comp is a remarkable interest for people who want to make money quickly with real options, from selling crypto credits and getting revenue to building up a huge reserve fund,